France's parliament is currently examining a bill to legalize assisted suicide. The bill is backed by President Macron and would allow individuals to receive medical support to end their lives under specific circumstances. NTD's international correspondent David Vives reports from Paris.
French President Emmanuel Macron announced a bill on assisted suicide currently debated at the parliament. Macron said it would permit adults suffering from incurable, life-threatening illnesses to request help to die. Eligible patients would be able to receive a lethal substance to administer themselves or with assistance from a doctor or nurse at home or care centers. Macron said during a speech the bill was in part crafted on recommendations of Freemasons and promote the human dignity. In Paris, the bill is welcomed with mixed reactions.
With some diseases, terminal diseases, or cancers, people suffer from the moment they get up in the morning. They really suffer a lot. We need to realize that.
Of course, when older people are doomed by illness, I can understand it. But young people, there is still hope. I find it hard to think they should end their lives.
I've been through the situation, seeing a relative suffering at the end of his life. So I support this. Those who ask for this suffer a lot. I also understand religious people, or people who, for their own reasons though.
With some diseases, terminal diseases or cancers, patients suffer from the moment they get up in the morning. They really suffer a lot. We need to realize that.
Other European countries beside France go even further on assisted suicide. In 2024, a case in the Netherlands involved a young woman with depression and autism who was allowed to receive medical help to die at home. The country reports around 10,000 euthanasia cases each year. Despite strict conditions in France's proposed bill, medical and legal experts warn it could set a dangerous precedent and make assisted suicide more widespread. Gregor Pupings is the director of the European Center for Law and Justice.
This bill is so dangerous because it changes its aim, its purpose is to change our understanding of, relation to death. The purpose of this bill is to make death an act of the will, and not something that you don't control, not something that comes upon you. So it's to incorporate the death into what they would call the freedom.
The bill aims to make assisted suicide a human right. This implies it would be illegal to try to dissuade someone from ending their life if they have expressed the will to do so, Pupings says.
You would have up to 1 year of jail and 15,000 euros of penalty. So it's absolutely criminal. I mean, this is an approach that is absolutely criminal. It is a pure demonstration that this is not a true human right. You don't need any kind of penalty, to protect human rights. True human rights are respected by everyone. It is because this euthanasia, this assisted suicide is not a true human right that they need to make it compulsory.
The Parliament will vote on the bill on May 27th. David Vives, NTD News, Paris.